अम्बे वैली में वो आपने जो बना हुआ है उसकी जगह अब आप वो ले रहे हो उसको कॉन्क्रीट पे बना रहे हो, जगह तो वो की वही है, उसका थोड़ी सी पीछे है बस, इसके अलावा तो कुछ नहीं। तो नदी के बैंक बनाना क्यों, और जगह नहीं बन सकता।
Amber Valley was acquired by the state government from the Khatidar for the purposes of horticulture and plantation. So they have gone against the very purpose for which it was acquired in the first place. It was subsequent to 2012 order whereby the High Court had passed an injunction order that no treated or untreated effluent will be discharged in the river. And that has attained finality. And it is still in the vogue because that is the same condition which is there in the consent to operate order. So because they had no other way, because they were discharging in the river openly, after that injunction order what they did was the land which was meant for plantation and horticulture, they basically dug up pits. It's a 275 bighas there. They dug up pits and then they started pouring into it. Then the issue came that how are you pouring it? One is you have deviated from the purpose of the acquisition, and the second is that it's going to percolate, which it still is doing now. So in one or two ponds they applied these lines, but now even those have degraded. So they just went on and on and on.
And now this concrete construction is coming up instead of open pond.
That's again
a
face paint because
behind the existing pond.
Because at the end of the day we will have to actually start our journey of assessment from the RO plant. The RO itself is not functional as of today, Balotra. You may verify from the inspection reports of the PCB. It's not functional. It was established by a contract with Triveni. They were supposed to be given on O&M basis for 10 years. Triveni has gone after installing. This installation costed the state government and the central government
cooperated by giving you on the